What's up, guys? This is a 2024 Chevy Silverado 2500 ZR2 Bison Edition in Woodland Green. This is a special option paint code. I'm not for sure. I've done a little research. This may be the only ZR2 Bison in Woodland Green in existence. If somebody else has seen one, let me know in the comments. Put a link in the comments. I'd like to see it. When you order a special paint code, they usually come with black right here on this front bumper piece. So we painted that green to match the rest of the truck. It really makes a huge difference. So this is the Bison Edition, which means it has the AEV front and rear metal bumpers, the 35-inch tires, black AEV 18-inch wheels, a really good looking wheel. Also has the 1.5-inch factory lift. With those DSSV Multimatic shocks. Really smooth ride. Looks awesome. This is a 6.6 liter gas engine with a 10-speed Allison transmission. Here's another look at those metal rear bumper AEV. This has the multi-pro tailgate, and all of the ZR2s have this flat black tailgate piece. Has a little flip down step to get in here, as well as the handle. Get yourself up in the back. ZR2 logo sprayed into the bed liner in the front. It's really cool. I actually had one of these once where that ZR2 logo was upside down in the bed liner. Kind of a collector's edition. So anyway, here's the Bison logo. As you can see, just a really sweet truck. The 1.5-inch lift with the 35-inch tires really just looks awesome with this truck. Taking a look inside. The black and gray interior with this yellow stitching. That's what all the ZR2s come with. The AEV has a little embossed logo in the headliner, or in the headrest, I should say. Really nice looking interior. Nice AEV floor mats. ZR2 logo. Back seat is huge. Plenty of room, heated seats, USB ports, vents. Very spacious back seat. This truck has a huge center screen. Looks really good in all these new trucks. All your heating, cooling options, heated seats, cooled seats, integrated trailer brake controller, big center display and gauge cluster also. Speed, RPM, fuel range, fuel economy, everything you'd want to know there. Heated steering wheel. Love the black emblem in the steering wheel. Looks really good. This truck also has rear view camera mirror, which is kind of a cool feature. I like driving with that on. Really nice interior. Looks really good. I like the pattern in the seats. Taking another look at the front of this truck, you'll see the LED headlights. They look really nice. I love the big grille on these ZR2s with the black and red bow tie. Pretty sweet. Huge grille, looks really awesome. On the gas trucks, this hood vent doesn't function, it's just for looks. On the diesel, I believe it is a functioning hood vent. It's kind of cool. I really like the green on this truck. It looks awesome with all the black accents, the black wheels, everything the ZR2 and the Bison package has. Looks really sweet. Like I said, I don't know if this is the only one, but there's a chance it might be. Just a really unique combo. Woodland green with such a sweet truck like this. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. I appreciate it if you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos. See you next time.